Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, January the 29th, 2024. New week, new puzzles. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. Not so good news for today because we have no additional. Let me show you. No additional with extra puzzles. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition. In the weekend edition, the additional with 3 puzzles left, the puzzle page with 2 puzzles left. So 5 puzzles we will do in the evening, but right now in the afternoon I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, it's been 114 days ago another war started. Yes, another war started in Israel against Hamas. It's been 114 days. Well, that's a long time for a war. And the people in Gaza is suffering with hunger. Yeah, hunger, because all the food will be it's not at the border. They cannot go with the food to the area of Gaza because the Israeli soldiers has blocked the border. Anyway, enough about the war. The 3 Stars Sudoku number 7891. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. In the additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. But it's indicated with a 3 stars. The indication 3 stars. Then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 or 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. We have here, in this row, 2 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 or 9, 8 or 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. We have 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, the only place left, the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about let me see, 4 2 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this column, so no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Well. 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only 3 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Same for the 5, 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place level, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes here. Alright. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 place level, the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there, 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only place level, the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so the last row, the only 3 place level, the 6 should be here, here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 in that column, no 6 there, the only place level, the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. How about the 1? Still cannot continue with the 1. Alright, how about the 4 in this column? 4 in the last column. So the column between, only place level the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 place level the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 place level the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 4. But how about the 1 then? Yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright, okay. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, on the last column, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 3, okay. And now, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 2 in the column next, on that column, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. We have 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Okay. Then how about 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 or 9, 8 or 9. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 box left in this column. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square. For number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. Wait. Need a 2 there. Alright, how about 8, 2, 9, 8, 2. Yeah, 3 missing numbers, I believe. 2, 9, 8, and a 9. 2, 9, 8, 8, 2, 9. 2, 9, 8, 2, 9, 8, 2, 9, 8. And look with 2 and 8 in this column. So no 8 here, so the 9 should be there. Okay, we have 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the 3rd row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the last 3rd row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. Then 4 and 7, 5 and 8. 2 numbers left. 5 and 8. We have an 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers the 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the 1st column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the 3rd column. So the column between 2nd column, the only place left 2 should be there. 1 box left in this 2nd column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the 1st column, 4 in the 2nd column, so the 3rd column. The only place left the 4 is should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the 1st row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the number 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the 1st column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 11 minutes. Whoa. Faster than 50 minutes. Should be a 1 star, but I'm faster also than 14 or 13 minutes. Should be a 0 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.